Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel HB Studies. I hope you are fit and fine in this corona time period. So friends, first I want to say to you that if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, so please subscribe it and also press the bell icon so that you can get the regular notifications of our regular post. Friends, as we know that online classes are going on because of lockdown and we have to study at home by computer. But still, we doesn't know about many functions of our computer in this competition era. And for understanding them, we have recently announced about a unit that is Computer Learning Unit. You can see its announcement by subscribing our channel. In that video, I have also told about the schedule of this unit. Friends, as you know, this is the inauguration of Computer Learning Unit and this is recorded as the first video of this unit. So before starting this unit, I want to tell some basic things which is very important. Most of us who are watching this video know about a word that is information technology. I'm not talking about all, but many of us think that this means computer technology. But it is not true. Just go to the literary meaning of it. Information technology, which literally means technology of information or the technique of representing information. If we see it carefully, we see that it is a combination of all subjects, that is maths, science, SST, English, economics, psychology. It contains technology which cannot be understood without chemistry, physics and maths. It contains our self-grooming and self-confidence which allow us to be more confident and we can be psychological and mentally fit. It contains how to send and receive information in proper way which also perfects our language speaking in English and Hindi. However, it contains all subjects which we usually study in our daily life. So now you can easily imagine that how information technology is important. IT, that is information technology, is used every day in our daily life. If a beggar is using street light at night, at that time he is using IT. If you are watching TV, using washing machine, at that time also you are using IT. So being perfect in IT helps us in very effective way. So with these words, I am starting my first video. So now I will tell you 5 methods by which you can open MS Office app. So let's see first method. First we have to click start, then click all programs. Then there you will find option Microsoft Office. Click on that and there you can access to my MS apps. Second method, click start, type the MS app you want to open in search bar and get easily access. Third method, click on computer, click local disk C, click program files, click Microsoft Office, click Office 12 or there can be another number at the place of 12. Now in that you can find MS apps and get easily access to them. Fourth method, try to open from start menu, taskbar and desktop if they are pinned there. Fifth method, open any MS file and open from there. For example, Microsoft Office Word 2007 document. So in today's video, I will tell you part and components of MS Office. So friends, what is MS Word? First question is that what is MS Word? MS Word is a way, it's a software by which we can create documents and we can easily present these documents in our business and the thing in which we want to present them, the field in which we want to present them, and easily develop our company or our business, or we can easily develop the field in which we are progressing. So let's open it. Now at the top we can see the quick command where we are able to perform some command in one click, and it is called quick access toolbar. At right side of it there is office button and we performs the final touch of document. At left side there is title bar where we see the name and type of document. Then at below there is ribbon where we make our document more attractive, and our document creating and formatting is also done there. After this there is scroll bar where we search any part of document by scrolling. Then there is status bar where we get the status of our document. Then at right side there is ruler, and in next video I will tell you about the use of ruler. Then we go to its window part. So the part where we create and edit document is called application window, and the part where we type is document window. So friends, this video is now moving to the end. Bye. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and share so other people can also get help.